Welcome back. We have designed yet another product in our campus, and this time it is for sugarcane harvesting. There are a lot of problems that are associated with sugarcane harvesting, and if you have a solution which is going to be affordable and usable, it's great. We are going to demonstrate you the product. Before that, we would like to highlight the features of our product. Well, we aim at building a machine which can reduce the man work, the manual intervention during sugarcane harvesting. We need to make it efficient, affordable, and with ease of maintenance. Also, it should be eco-friendly, and we need to cut and separate the cane and the sheath in the field itself. That's a tough task, and in fact it is daunting. We want to complete it properly. We aim at a complete system in all aspects. Well, what are the challenges that are being faced in the existing system, and why do we need to go for yet another machine? Well, the existing machines cannot cover the smaller or complicated field areas. There are a lot of wastages that are reported, and the existing machines are large in size and it consumes more fuel, and most importantly, periodic maintenance cost is always there. And the most important point is very high tooling cost and operation cost. And if you lease it also, it's becoming expensive. So what do we suggest? We want to get a mechanism which is going to be cheaper but efficient. At the same time, it should be also frugal. That's what we are proposing, and we have a system in place right now for you. I'm also going to show you the demonstration of the same shortly. The novelty lies in three or four of our points which I would like to explain. The first point is the power for various mechanisms is all completely obtained from single pneumatic or hydraulic power driver. This is very important point to be appreciated. The second, two different cutters are used, and one for the sheath and the second one for the cane, and this will separate them and pile them separately on the field itself. This is very portable and it can be easily assembled. Overall, the costing is very low, and all these definitely makes our product a better one, and it can be definitely used by every farmer who is going to harvest sugarcane. Let's see the demo right now. Well, we tested it and you are going to see that right now in front of you. Let's go ahead with the demo. You could see that the vehicle is all started. The machine is all started. You can see that there is a cutter running in the bottom. Also, there is a cutter in the top. We'll show you both one after another. We have got sugarcane planted there for our testing purpose. It's not a sugarcane field and we have tested it that way. The top one has cut the top part of the sugarcane and the bottom one is ready right now to be cut, and you can see that it's all cut. Now we are going to see that closely how exactly and how sharp the entire process is going to be, and it's all controlled properly and it's working fully and it's fully functional. And you could see the way it's working. The sugarcane top is going to be cut right now. This machine is all fully designed in the laboratory of ours, and you could see that the way it is cut, it's perfect cut. Similarly, the bottom one we can see right now, and you will be able to understand the power and the speed of the machine. It's really fast, it doesn't take much time. You can see that the machine is going to be on right now, and this is going to demonstrate how exactly this is going to be cut in the bottom. So you could see that right now. So it's moving. We are moving it slow for the purpose of your understanding, but otherwise it can be moved faster and it could really cut in a real fast way. That's it, it's all done. So it's going to be easy for you to use this machine. It's really very efficient. We hope you liked it. Thank you.